Most budget templates are either too complicated or too basic. Let me show you the one that works for normal people. Section 1, Monthly Income. List every income source, job, side hustle, benefits. Use your take-home, after-tax, number. Variable income? Use your lowest recent month. Section 2, Fixed Expenses. Rent/mortgage, car payment, insurance, subscriptions. These don't change month to month. Total them up first, they're non-negotiable. Section 3, Variable Expenses. Groceries, gas, eating out, entertainment. These are where overspending hides. Budget a specific dollar amount for each. Section 4, Savings Goals. Emergency fund, vacation, holiday gifts. Pay yourself first, automate if possible. Even $25 per week adds up to $1,300 a year. The monthly check-in. Fill in actual spending at month end. Compare budget versus actual, no judgment. Adjust next month's numbers based on reality. Download this exact budget worksheet free, link in description. New finance tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.